Thanks. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing my IKEA drawer that I got. And yeah, I still haven't figured out where to put it, but I'm just gonna start. So clearly you're not supposed to do this. What? Wait, what? What? It shows that two of these long things has two screws together. Like that, two screws together. But none of these. I found it. God. Jumping into conclusions. That is. Got it. Got it. I'm exhausted. My hands are like red. Okay, so I have finished the side panels. I'm guessing these are the side panels, and now I need to.
Oh, someone's building something in here, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. What is this going to become?
Oh no, you're not screwing it straight.
Well, it was. Oh God. You gotta freshen it up first to get it in there properly.
No, you just keep screwing it, it'll go in straight.
I know. Alright, done.
What's the score, huh?
1-0. There's just one. Where's this? Oh.
So this is it so far. It literally took me, I don't know, like 2 hours to make this. It's like dark outside and I finally found something to hammer. Well, I don't have a hammer, so I'm just gonna. I just realized like screwing things is not easy, it's pretty tough. Hello! I honestly did not know that this would take so long, and I have moved things around my room and it's like a mess. So I've kept the structure here and I've made space in that corner. I hope it fits. And this table which was there before has just replaced in the middle of the entire room. And yeah, I cannot put it anywhere there because it really won't fit. It's dinner time, we're cooking. He's helping me out. Someone's struggling to cut the onions clearly. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Quick update, I totally exploded the mixed silver.
Wow. This is like, 5-star level decoration. I love it actually. It looks really good. Oof. Anushree, not bad, huh? Come sit, let's eat.
Prithvi wants the sandalwood soap and inform this.
Have you never tried sandalwood soap?
Yeah, but I don't know what that is though.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's cute.
Why don't you at least look through what else?
Nope, I don't even want to look. Just keep that.
I feel like we could get this better one somewhere else.
Nope.
It's like I'm literally getting scared to get lost.
You're scared to be alone? Huh, Babu?
It's actually not safe here, Anushree, if you think about it.
Oh yeah?
Like the proximity of human beings
No, 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 no.
That's it. Take it. Keep it. Anushree, I want to buy this. It's from me. I want to get it for you.
Please not.
No, please. Keep it.
Not so many, bro. Not so many. Please don't get so
No,
many.
Anushree, trust me. Trust
Listen,
me.
this is too
You
much.
will never have an excuse
But
again.
these are bad quality ones.
Arey, so what, Anushree?
But
Keep
that's
it.
it. These many are enough.
No, keep it.
These many are enough.
You should get Charlie food here. I bet he would be. Alright.
Okay, so I successfully put this drawer, and I failed the first time. That's because I attached one of the drawer channels the other way. So here's a tip for IKEA furniture. Follow the diagrams to the T and make sure before you fit every part you're doing it the right way, because I did this like 3 times. I mean, I did 3 mistakes like this where I just put the part like the other side and then I had to unscrew them, and I was terrified because I didn't know if I could undo them, but I could. But yeah, you get the point. Like before you any panel, any channel, any panel, any channel, whatever you put, make sure you cross check with the diagram before you screw it in, because you don't want to get screwed.
By this stage, I was a pro. I knew everything about IKEA furniture. I knew the screws, I knew the diagram by heart, I knew the processes. I didn't even need the book. I knew my workspace. I have to shift it to the bed at this stage and then rotate it and then put everything inside or whatever it is. But bro, look at me work. I'm killing it.
And finally, we are done. Let's do a product show review. This is how it looks. It looks a little big because of the platform, which is adding to the height. But otherwise, it's perfect. I think the drawers, they open up pretty nice. It's a little lightweight-ish, but I think you gotta be a little careful. But so far so good. It has like good drawer space. I can't wait to fill shit up and just basically do what I do. But yeah, that's it guys. I'm exhausted and be back for the next vlog. Bye.